warning for the following.
That was probably one of the most inactive to weather radios flash flood warning I've ever caught. It's because I'm about to go to bed and it's like 8 something and I'd rather not wake my parents up every night, so that's why only a few of these radios activated. This would have gone off too if it got the signal. Let's see.
Flash flooding is ongoing.
Oh yeah, this one had perfect signal and it didn't activate for some unusual reason, but yeah, that's it.